Hey guys, it's Lisa back with another natural hair video. This time I am working with a Bantu knot out. The jury is out on whether this is a fail or not, but I'm gonna leave this up to you guys and start from the beginning. So if we go all the way back to 2015, we have here a heatless curls tutorial, and that featured 4 big Bantu knots on blow-dried straightened hair, and this is what we're doing today essentially. So if you want to see exactly how I do this process in detail, I'll link the video down below, but here's a visual of literally how to do a Bantu knot. Easy peasy, right? So as you can see, all the process calls for is twisting your hair around the base of that twist until you get a knot, and then just securing it with some pins or hair ties, whatever is your preference. And I think these work best when you sleep overnight, giving it some time just to set, and then when you wake up in the morning, you can take them out. And this is basically what we have here. We have the morning time, and it's time for me to take out my Bantu knots and to see the results. Before I dismantle my hair, I'm going to start with some Alterna Caviar. This is the anti-frizz dry oil mist. I like a dry oil mist because it's really good for adding shine, and it really helps for sleekness without adding water back to the hair and reverting the curl. So I'm just basically piecing this apart. I'm just taking it apart in small pieces, and you can see it's starting to frizz. I don't know if I did this right. I don't know if I did this right, but if anything, there's always a way to fix it. So again, just spraying a little bit of that spray, and then I'm gonna start twisting, separating the curls, so that way I can get some volume, some definition, and I'm interested to see what this is gonna look like. Okay, so we're getting to the end of it. I like what's happening, but there's a little bit of confusion going on. So we're gonna go ahead and fix it. I'm gonna just try to do something with this. So I'm taking a curling wand. This is about a 1/2 inch curling wand. It's tapered from Conair. I just got it from Target. And I'm taking any of the fuzzy, frizzy ends and just wrapping that around the curling wand on about 320 degrees. Just so I get a curl and it looks less like little puff balls at the end and more like some sort of definition. Okay, it's coming together. This is what I've come up with. What do you guys think? Would you wear this? Would you call this a fail? Let me know down in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I love you all, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!